my eye. Sunday shirt on the clothesline. Kids chase waves as they fold and fall. Church bells over the mountains call our names, I can hear it all. I love my beautiful Samoa. From the reef to the red clay road, every scar on this land tells a story. Every smile is a home I know. I love my beautiful Samoa, where the old songs never grow old. Hold me close, island of my heart. You're my treasure, my lava, my gold. Oh yeah. Ever bold in the circle, Uncle's voice slow and deep. Stars lean close when we're talking. Secrets the ocean will always keep. City lights might try and tempt me. Big planes flying over my mind, but my soul stays by the shoreline, feeding the tide I was born to find. I love my beautiful Samoa. From the reef to the red clay road, every scar on this land tells a story. Every smile is a home I know. I love my beautiful Samoa, where the old songs never grow old. Hold me close, island of my heart.